Welcome to my Car and Train channel. I want to share with you some of the steam engines that are in display at the Goderich County Museum here in Canada. That was the kind of machine that you would find in facilities, and with a wheel you would have a belt and then a shaft in the ceiling, and the shaft will allow to put motion and energy to some of the machine tools. Here we are more into the agricultural side, with the machines that were moved to the fields so that you could do some of the labor, the hardship labor. So that, for example, that's a traction ditcher. So this is your typical traction engine. They would move them to the fields, and then with the spinning wheels do whatever was needed as a work in the field. And that was the end of the steam era and the beginning of the gasoline engine. You can see 1915. Of course, it was easier to start. You would get the energy and the motion almost immediately. But let me finish with steam, because this is my passion. Perhaps we can go where the pilot was. Yes. So the firebox here. The steering wheel. So you would move that from one field to another. And again, there was a belt around this wheel. And with that belt, you could provide energy to machines such as this one. So very important for productivity in the fields. Thank you for watching this video. I have many more traction engines and other engines on my car and train channel.